So if you're tired of inconsistent profits as a trader, there's one thing you need to find out, and you need to watch this to the end, okay? The one thing you need to find out is this. You need to stop trading your time and body for money. What do I mean by that? Your time and your body. I mean, you need to find a way to increase your leverage, okay? Which means for 1 hour of trading, you get the results of somebody who's been trading for a whole month. And this is how you do that, okay? You get leveraged trading accounts. And what these allow you to do is get 20 accounts at the same time. And here's a secret. You trade one setup, what I call the 30-minute breakdown, one of my favorite setups to trade, okay? And very easy to understand. You trade one stock and you trade it at the same time every day. This is one of the most simplest things anybody can do to set themselves up financially. Why? Because with this one set up, all you have to do is make $300 to $500 a day. And in 28 days, you're going to get a $40,000 payout. And it's not just me theorizing this. This is something that I and my students have actually done, getting payouts where we're making $300 to $500 a day and we're getting a big payout at the end of the month. So how do you do that? Okay. The one setup you're trading is what I call the 30-minute breakdown. And if you want me to show you exactly how to do this, I don't want to make this video long. Just drop me a comment below and I'm going to send you a free guide and the course so you can learn how to do the 30-minute breakdown. Number two, the one stock, okay? You're trading what we call ES, okay? This stands and represents the S&P 500, the top 500 stocks in the United States. And number three, okay, we're talking about the time, okay? This trade is usually done best between 10:30 and 11:30 a.m. every day, okay? Between 10:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. every day. So if you can watch the markets for about an hour and a half a day, okay, you understand the 30-minute breakdown, you're trading one ticker, you're going to learn how to crush this. So grab the PDF in the course below. I'm going to break this all down in detail. Plus, I'm going to give you a code that gets you 70 to 90% off the leveraged accounts and how to set those up to trade 20 accounts at the same time. I'll see you on the other side.